So last week, a company called Builder.ai, something I posted about on LinkedIn, got filed for bankruptcy and a bunch of trouble because everybody figured out that what they're doing is, the old term, fake it till you make it. Well, this is really fake it till you make it, because they didn't actually have any technology. They just had a room full of developers faking that they had a AI technology building code. Can't even quite figure out how it works. I have tested another product called Factory.ai. It's using ChatGPT's model. They're not trying to hide anything. Works with Git. Good product, but it is one of those that areas that we think that there's going to be a lot of growth in it, which are being able to build these MVPs. Which it sounds like what Builder should have done was go over to Factory.ai, use their tools to build their MVP to actually build a product, or use a lovable product and some innate-in workflows. So I'm not even sure why they did what they did, because they could have brought together a number of off-the-shelf products to do exactly what they were doing. Now, what you shouldn't do when you're doing an MVP and going into the marketplace like this is exactly what they did from an accounting standpoint, which is what's now being called Roundrobining. That is where you are taking in revenue and then paying out expenses in related companies. So let's say that to make it look like I'm worth more money on both companies, we're going to share a $100 bill. So I'm going to take in that 100. I'm going to then hand that 100 over to you. You hand it back to me in an invoice. So it makes both companies look like they have higher than expected sales, and they're just writing it off as a high COG. But that's illegal. That is not what you should be doing. That is not the way to build a company. I will bet you 100% of the tax people, they're going to tell you not to, because that involves handcuffs.